The headcount at India's public sector banks has dropped to its lowest in 13 years, with mergers, slowing branch expansions, and many employees leaving for better opportunities. According to the Reserve Bank of India data, public sector banks employed 7,56,000 people at the end of FY24, a number nearly unchanged since FY11. However, this is significantly down from its peak of 8,57,000 in FY17. Over the last 7 years, public sector banks have lost more than 1 lakh employees, even as private sector banks have doubled their workforce to 8,45,000 in the same period. Yet, they are grappling with a high attrition rate averaging 25%. This high turnover poses operational risks, including disruptions in customer service, loss of institutional knowledge, and increased recruitment costs. This comes even as private sector banks offer higher salaries, performance-based incentives, and bonuses. However, they demand long hours and come with intense performance pressures. High attrition rates reflect the challenges of retaining talent, while public sector banks provide stability, job security, and extensive benefits like housing, education allowances, and pensions, making them attractive for those seeking a long-term career. However, younger employees are often drawn to private roles due to higher cash payouts and modern work opportunities. Mergers in the public sector banking space have reduced branch expansion, leading to fewer recruitment opportunities. Many state-owned banks are now hiring only to replace attrition, unlike earlier periods of large-scale recruitment. Additionally, the preference for stability and better monetary benefits has driven many public sector bank employees to private sector or other government jobs. Recruitment firms highlight that functions like risk management and regulatory compliance in fintech and non-banking financial companies or NBFCs have absorbed experienced talent from PSBs. The frequent transfers in public sector banks also discourage employees seeking stability. While private banks offer lucrative incentives, they face a retention problem. The RBI has urged banks to reduce attrition through strategies like career development programs, mentorship, competitive benefits, and supportive workplace cultures. The contrasting challenges of public and private sector banks highlight a shifting landscape in India's banking sector. While private sector banks focus on growth and performance, public sector banks remain a pillar of stability but need to innovate to attract the new generation of talent.